What's going on, everyone? Today is Friday. I've almost lost track of my days. It's early. Well, not early. It's like 8, but I did get a little bit more sleep today. The Ultra 5K is about to kick off. Sounds like they're just a little bit late start. I just got out of the shower. Feel more human now, but I'm gonna try and go over there, watch a little bit of the beginning of that race, and then get my day started, get the Vanquish booth set back up. Hopefully it's another great day. Just gotta get started.
Get set. Go.
Ultra drivers are leaving. They leave at a 15-second interval. So we'll see how many's over there.
Go. Go. Go.
I'm almost a little winded just trying to walk to good spots to see these guys run.
Hoggy, can you have a water for me?
How's that hill?
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
What's up, Mr. Steed? Hey, Josh! What's up? Staying hydrated like he said. Oh, he heard it! He heard! Now we're in trouble. Come on.
How you doing, bud?
Dying.
Good job, Jake. Jake, high five. Good job, honey.
Well, if he finishes, I get to finish too.
What do you do now?
Another 3 laps?
10:05 in the morning. Before we get the booth all set up, I'm gonna go try and run a quick trail. I'm gonna go run course G. Told that it starts here just on the other side of the bridge and it ends close to camp. So should be a good one to start the morning with. All right, gate 75. Been crawling with a bunch of guys, local guys, around a lot of the Donner stuff. This trail's really gnarly, ton of fun. This is my favorite trail so far for sure. I know, right? The first 75 gates of this course were just insane tough. Just a blast. The Ripper's been doing good. I did mention yesterday or the day before that I had the lighting problem with the switch in my lights. And I found out what that issue was. It was the receiver plug on that Hey OK light controller that I use was going bad, and it wasn't retaining the pins as well. So got that fixed up, replaced, and now they're doing pretty well. So the Deadman switch up here in this terrain, there's a lot of iron and stuff in the soil. And I have noticed that it's collecting some of that on the magnets. And then I've had a couple of connection issues. And so I definitely need to get that cleaned off and cleaned up. Need to kind of watch that as far as maintenance goes. But if you know what it is, it's easy to change, or easy to fix at least. This is the first course I've ran during the day here. And it's almost easier to run at night because all of their gate markers are reflective. It just allows you to see kind of the path of the trail without really seeing the terrain to camouflage it. I didn't use much of the audio anyway. Just finished up course G. That was a blast. Best course so far, for sure. All right, now I'm sweaty, but I gotta get back to the booth, get everything set up if they haven't already. Sit there and talk to some people all day. Not a bad day at the office.
sidestepping.
Our unofficial official Ripper run is starting.
Spend a little extra time on mine.
Amy Dill, number 88.
Gene Boyd, number 72. Tony Mazza, A. Mazza Construction, Ripper number 13 and number 3.
I'm Hunt Parr, and this is Ripper number 64.
Matthew Kett, number 16.
Great roll over right there. Good cat.
Dave Castillo, prototype 5. Taylor Anderson with Rigid, prototype 7. Ripper Machinist P01. Michael Mack, number 19.
Ashtidi prototype number 2.
I know. Okay.
They look good now?
Brandon Kuntz, number 45. Griffin, Ripper number 1. Present but not accounted for.
Present but not accounted for.
What's up, Casey Curry, and prototype number 3.
Scale guardrail by A. Mazza Construction. I have Matt Carney from Axial driving mine so I can do some video.
What's that?
Get a chainsaw for the video.
Hurry up! Going with this?
This course and G are definitely the most technical. This one's kind of a brute force though. Popping a squat at gate 58 while Schultz fixes his broken truck. So far, the course is pretty awesome though. It is tore up though. Halfway through course A, pretty brutal, mainly due to the wear, but either way, that this course was going to be difficult. This is the A main course. Overall, super technical. This will be my second course driving of the day. Third course for the truck today because I had Matt Carney drive the Ripper through the Ripper run. All right, that was course A. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Most of us made it. Go back to the camp, download, try and edit, see if I can get it uploaded. That's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all the comments. It's been awesome. I'm gonna go back, try and get some editing done, go to bed, do it again tomorrow. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're not already, leave a comment if you have something to say. See you later.